Welcome to Polaris. Polaris combines an ultrasonic power supply, actuator, touchscreen HMI, and a converter booster horn stack. Polaris Core is ideal for benchtop and automated use in simple applications. Polaris Advance adds expanded diagnostics, advanced performance options, and quick stack change capability to speed changeovers and analysis. Inspect the ultrasonic stack, converter, booster, and horn for cleanliness, tightness, and damage. Before any operation, complete these safety steps and daily checks to protect operators, tooling, and product quality. Always wear safety glasses and, where applicable, hearing protection. Confirm the work area is well lit and free of obstructions. Verify compressed air is connected, clean, dry, and regulated within the specified range. Check that the emergency stop is released and functional. Power on the system. Log in using your credentials. And confirm your user level provides the appropriate access for today's tasks. Use the actuator setup mode for alignment of the actuator and fixture without activating ultrasonics. Verify alignment and set the mechanical stop so the horn cannot strike the fixture if the part is missing. Confirm the palm buttons operate correctly. Both must be pressed together to initiate motion. On the HMI, check for active alarms or warnings and resolve them before production. If you're using a leveling plate, visually verify fasteners are secure and the horn impression from yesterday's checks was uniform. Performing these checks takes minutes and reduces unplanned downtime, protects components, and ensures consistent weld quality.